Ramogi wadhi nyime kod weche manyien kama riwruok mar jopuonj ma KUPPET Kajiado obuogo ng'uko chenro mag somo kochopo Januari higa manyien poni sirikal orem ndiko e tich e yo mongirore jopuonj mag Junia Secondary Schools mosebedo ka tiyo e yor oraka kuom thuolo mar higa achiel. Ka giloso e boma Narok, jagoro mar KUPPET Narok Charles Ngeno wacho ni ripot mane ondiko daput mane ochuogo kod jatend piny mondo non somo mar CBC mano yango chochni ma pod nitiere chwalo somb CBC kosingo mar kwedo CBC ni mar onge kod ber. Jakeno mar riwruogno Sela Kaluo bende wacho ni jopuonj mamine mapuonje JSS ok mi thuolo mar dweche adek mar yweyo bang' nyuol.
They have really worked, and even what was in that letter, it is not the same as what is in the ground. What they were promised, they was promised to be paid 19,000, but what they are receiving now is 17,000. We don't understand exactly what is happening to our government. So we are urging the government to work on the JSS teachers. The working conditions are not good. Some of the teachers are teaching computer science, but we have no computer lab.
Na tukiona ile contract walikuwa wamepewa ilikuwa imeandikwa 1 year non-renewable contract. Na sisi kama walimu tunataka kuhimiza serikali ya Kenya Kwanza iweze kuconfirm hawa JSS, kwa sababu morale yao iko chini sana. Na tumesema kama hawa walimu hawatakuwa confirmed, tunahofia ile quality ya masomo yenye inaendelea kwa mashule. Tunapoongea leo, wengi ya hawa interns wamesema kama hawatapewa confirmation, wengi hawatatoa ile inaitwa quality. Na one of the manifesto ya Kenya Kwanza kwa ile education charter, Rais alikuwa amesema access to quality education kwa watoto wote wa Kenya. Tunataka kuhimiza wabunge waweze kuallocate resources to the ministry through TSC ili hawa interns waweze kuwa confirmed.